Hi everyone, I'm Joy Kakavik, Norwex Independent Consultant, and I want to chat with you about how to properly disinfect your surface without the use of any kind of chemical spray or pop-up wipe. So I want to just kind of chat with you a little bit real quickly about when you are using these types of wipes that you have to follow the instructions properly. And a lot of people don't realize when you're disinfecting a surface, you actually need to first clean your surface. So when you're using a wipe like this, you're not necessarily cleaning your surface. You're spreading things around a little bit, maybe wiping some of the dirt around, but you're not literally and figuratively picking up and cleaning and removing every foreign substance from your surface. So again, if you're choosing to use this, read the instructions. This one here says you need to leave the surface wet for 10 minutes in order to properly disinfect. But even if you're using this, you still need to clean the surface first. So the fastest and easiest way to clean your surface is with your Norwex microfiber. You're going to use this damp. I have an EnviroCloth here. So I got it wet and then I wrung it out so there's no excess water. And this is just an old, well-loved EnviroCloth. I folded it in quarters just so it's nice and easy, and you go over your surface super fast and it will remove all the dirt, the grime, the buildup. It will remove 99% of bacteria from a surface just with water alone. So this actually mechanically cleans your surface so that it can then be disinfected. So then you can choose what you want to do for your disinfectant. Again, I'm going to recommend the safer option, and that's a hydrogen peroxide solution. So what I have in here is actually a food grade hydrogen peroxide, and I like it because it's super versatile and it gives me instructions on what to do. To use it as a disinfectant, I just have to dilute it in some water in a spray bottle, and then I will leave it on the surface just for 1 minute. So this one, I had to keep the surface wet for 10 whole minutes, where with the hydrogen peroxide solution, I can just go ahead and spray that on there, leave it wet just for 1 minute. And then of course the great thing about this too is that I can quickly go from a disinfected surface to preparing my dinner or my lunch. I don't have to worry about any of those harmful chemicals that may still remain on my surface. And that could maybe do a little bit more harm than good. And when you are using these types of products, you also have to make sure that you are using them on non-porous surfaces. So if you do have granite and it's not sealed, then you'll want to make sure that you are seeking out solutions for something that would be safe for that surface. This is not something that would be safe for granite if it hasn't been sealed. So I will, once this has been on here for a minute, I will just take my EnviroCloth again, go over that surface, and then I know that it's clean, and I also know it's disinfected, and I haven't introduced anything harmful into my beautiful home. Keep it nice and safe. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. If you found value in this video, please like it, comment, share, subscribe, all of those good things. My website is cleanbyjoy.com. Thanks everyone.